अब देखो ये एज था काइंड ऑफ, तब ये कॉर्नर में गया, ये कॉर्नर में गया, तो वी आर गेटिंग ओनली 1, 3 थे तो वी आर गेटिंग ओनली 1 इंस्टेड ऑफ 3, 4 पार्ट्स रहते, 2 वुड बी रिमेनिंग, ऑल ऑफ यू यस और नो, यहाँ पे भी 2, here at each edge you would be getting 2. So it means, can I say that if you are dividing it into n equal parts, so from each edge how many cubes you would be getting, कितने cubes मिलेंगे, all of you n minus 2, each cube you would be getting how many, n minus 2, n 3 था तो 3 minus 2 1, 4 है तो 4 minus 2 2, so 5 में 5 minus 2 3, so from each edge we are getting n minus 2, and कितने edge हैं, so 12 into n minus 2. ये सरफेस से ये जो बीच वाला क्यूब है, इसको आप जब बाहर निकालोगे ऐसे, तो इट विल हैव ओनली दिस सरफेस पेंटेड, ऑल ऑफ यस और नो, है ये, तो आप कितने क्यूब मिलेंगे, देखो कितने सरफेस होते हैं 6, अब यहाँ पे ऑल ऑफ यू हियर हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स वी आर गेटिंग, ओनली 1 क्यूब ऑन ईच सरफेस, क्योंकि ये गया एज में कॉर्नर में, ये भी गया एज कॉर्नर में, ये भी this is also gone in edge corner, this is also gone in edge corner, edge corner, edge corner, edge corner, what is remaining, only 1 है ये, तो all of you अब यहाँ देखो, just now see here that here in this case this is gone in edge corner, this is gone in edge corner, this is gone in edge corner, this is gone in edge corner. It means if there were 3 rows and 3 columns, top row bottom row gone, sides column gone, so 1 row and 1 column was remaining, therefore how many cubes you were getting, 1 into 1 1. If you are dividing into 4 parts, तो ये भी गया gone, this column gone, this row gone, this row gone, so if there are 4 rows and 4 columns, so top row bottom row gone, both sides column gone, how many rows and columns remaining, 2 rows and 2 columns, तो कितने मिलेंगे, 2 into 2 4, divided into n parts, then n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2 rows will be remaining, and similarly how many columns will be remaining, n minus 2 columns, तो n minus 2 rows बच गए, n minus 2 columns, so all of you, if you are left with n minus 2 rows and n minus 2 columns, then how many you will get from each surface, n minus 2, and कितने surfaces हैं, this is from each surface, and how many surfaces are there, तो 6 into n minus 2 whole square. So अब simple सा concept है dear, n sides हैं तो n minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 2, n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2, so n minus 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 2, that is n minus 2 cube.